Confidence around water starts with electrical protection designed for pool, spa, and water feature environments. Commercial pools, spas, and water features rely on a robust electrical infrastructure to keep heaters, pumps, and filtration systems operating safely and reliably. Littelfuse delivers a comprehensive portfolio of electrical protection and control solutions, designed to help every part of the system work together for maximum safety and performance. From disconnect switches and transformers to current-limiting Class J fuses, miniature circuit breakers, contactors, and advanced motor and shock protection, Littelfuse helps protect equipment against overloads, short circuits, and electrical faults. The result is improved safety, extended equipment life, and systems built to meet NEC standards, giving you confidence that your installation is compliant, protected, and built to last.